Hey, what's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? What's going on to the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community? Happy Memorial Day to you guys. Memorial Day 2020. I trust and believe that everyone is doing well. You all are blessed. Um, I'm coming to you guys today with a little bit of a different video. Um, I want to give you guys my in-depth review of uh, Tradera. All right. Um, some of you may have heard of this company. Some of you may have not heard of this company. Um, I will go ahead and let you guys know up front. This is a multi-level marketing company. However, um, this is a pretty good company. All right. So anything that I involve myself with, um, please believe that I've done my research, especially when it comes to multi-level marketing, because that is one thing that I pride myself and the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community on is that um, we don't, we don't do multi-level marketing. Even in the community, I do provide an incentive for referrals, but it is not pushed in front of your face, but it's an opportunity for you to earn while you learn. All right. And so that brings me to Tradera. All right. Tradera was introduced to me from another one of my Forex mentors. All right. Individual that I trust, awesome business person. And so when they brought it to me, I was a little, I kind of did the little, what face, because again, when I, got, heard about the whole multi-level marketing, I was like, oh my God, here we go, IML all over again. um, but one thing I will say that I like about this is it is not pushed in your face to say, hey, you need to sign up individuals in order to have your membership paid for or things of that nature. That is not pushed in your face, but that component is there if you so desire to to extend your streams of income, if you will. So just to let you guys know up front, that is what this video is. So what I've decided to do is just kind of do my in-depth review of my experience with Tradera, and then also allow you guys to get a sneak peek in on the back end. So if you guys have been wondering about Tradera or anything like that, then this is what I'm going to do for you. All right, I'm going to give you guys a complete overview of Tradera. All right, so when you first log into the back office, all right, when you first sign up, all right, there are two levels you can sign up for. You can sign up for the IBO membership or the client membership. Okay, the IBO membership, that is $15 a month, and that's solely for individuals who, they only want to bring people in. All right, they only want to look to sign people up. All right, the client membership is going to give you access to all of this, to everything. All right, it's going to give you access to, you can see here, the trade alerts and the educational platform, their live trading sessions, fundamental analysis, market analysis. All right, that's what it's going to give you access to. Okay, um, and so this is the main part that I want to show you guys, is the client membership. Okay, I think it's pretty cool, again, because it does not, they, no one whatsoever reaches out to you and forces you to sign people up whatsoever. Okay, they actually do provide a platform so that you can learn. Okay, and again, they have the referral program as a resource for you to earn while you're learning. Okay, so when you first log in, you're gonna come here to the overview tab. Okay, and that's basically this right here. All right, so what this does is it basically shows you who's joined in your group here. That's what this member joinings are. Okay, that's what that is. Okay, I do have one individual under me currently. All right, so that lets me know that hey, they're from the United States. All right. Also on the dashboard, you have your promotional tools where you can share your link. My link is in the description. If you guys, if you want to sign up for Tradera, you have to sign up under someone's promotional link. My link is provided. So after this review, if you find that you would like to sign up for Tradera, then please click that link. That will help me out, so as well as help you out as well. All right. Give me 1 second. My apologies. My internet has not been the greatest here today. Being on the laptop, um, this particular laptop, I can't plug directly in, but anywho, again, this is the overview here. All right, so you have your promotional tools providing your links. You can share your promotional link here. Okay. All right. This lets you know um, your current rank. My current rank is no rank. My next rank will be founder, so on and so forth. All right, you can kind of get into that if you so desire to. If you sign up and if you want to push it, you can look into that. Here are your team performances. All right, so if you guys started signing up under my link and you started bringing people in, I'll be able to see who has, who's been the top performer, yada yada. Okay. All right. Same thing with the total downline. I told you guys I do have one individual under me. All right. So that's what that is. No payments for me, no completed payouts, yada yada. One direct referral. Okay, that was because that individual signed up. Okay. Now let's jump into the trade alerts. All right, this is the main part right here. This is the main part that what I like about Tradera, and this is what I recommend for individuals who are just starting out trading Forex, and you need a little extra help finding trades. Okay, this is for individuals who are lazy. You don't feel like analyzing your charts, but you prefer to, have trades sent to you, and then maybe you can analyze that trade to decide if that's going to be a good trade for you. Now that's what I would do. All right, that's what I have been doing. Is whenever the trades would come in based on my trading style, I would see if that's a trade that I would want to partake of. Okay, now this trading service, all right, this trading signals, all right, any trading signal, okay, don't expect it to be 100%. All right, that's just unrealistic. Okay, nothing's 100%. Your job is not 100%. All right, you don't know if you wake up, tomorrow morning, if you're going to be able to go clock in. Your job can burn down. All right, nothing is 100%. So get that notion out of your head. Okay, one thing that I do like about Tradera, being that it is a signal service first, all right, is that it runs at about a 70% win rate. Now, currently, this win to loss ratio is about a 67% ratio right now. Okay, the total pip count so far has been 23,673 pips. All right, so that is not bad. So they have won 467 trades and have lost 223 trades. Okay, all right, and so just to do the math, 467 plus 223, All right, so that's a total of 690 trades. So out of 690 trades, they have won 467 of those trades. Okay. All right, and so that should put us at about 67% win rate. All right, so this is what it looks like here on the back end, guys. Whenever these trade alerts come in, all right, here's the date, here is the pair, all right, here's the position that they're suggesting. Again, when trade alerts are just suggestions, okay? You know, this is based off of someone else's analysis, okay? And so you have to go in with that mindset, all right? And so, but again, a 67% win rate is not bad. A 70% win rate is not bad. You guys have heard me say, if you can learn to perform at a 50% win rate with trading Forex, you can be successful. You can come off of your job with a 50% win rate. All right, that is not unheard of. Okay, so again, the position, for this particular trade was a buy. The result, they lost this trade. Okay, stop loss was here. Take profit 1, 2, and 3. I like the fact that they do set out for 3 different take profit goals. All right, the pips in this case, because they lost this trade, they lost 32 pips on this trade, and there's no notes on that. All right, or rather, the stop loss was hit. Is what happened. It basically wasn't enough room for the trade to move. Okay, or it could have just went totally against you. All right, so here is another trade that was a trade alert that was given out on May 20th. All right, it was for the GBP CAD. All right, the suggested position was sell. All right, and the result for this trade was they won it. Okay, here's where they suggested that your stop loss go at, and the suggested take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. All right, and so they hit 16 pips on this because take profit 1 was hit. Okay, as long as take profit 1 hits, they consider it a win, and they basically stop it there. Okay, all right, now here's another one. All right, again, this is just in-depth back office, so you guys can know exactly what it is that you would be getting into. Okay, so again, typically runs at around a 70% win rate. This particular win rate right now is at 67%. They've banked a total of 23,000, over 23,000 pips so far for the year. It's not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, and so here's another trade. Same thing, guys. The date, the pair, the suggested position, the result of the trade. They won that one. All right. Stop loss here. All right, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. They bagged 63 pips. All right, so that's pretty good, guys. So far, let me see. This was for last week was the 17th through the 22nd. All right, so it's not bad. So far they've only lost 32 pips and gained 73, 83, 93, well, about 95 pips so far. All right, for the week. That's not bad. Hopefully I did that math correct. All right, let's just go down here. So 103, 113, 123. Ooh, total of 160 pips alone right here. All right, so you're looking at over like 200 and something pips. So they won 200 plus pips last week. Here, let me give you guys solid numbers. All right, how about we give you solid numbers? Okay, I'm just kind of guesstimating right now. All right, let me. You probably can't see my calculator, but it's all good. We've got 16 pips plus 63 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 160. All right. So last week alone, all right, winning signals, the profit for those were 303 pips. And then we subtract the 32 pip trade. All right, so they backed a total of 271 pips. All right, so that's not bad, to sign up for a service. Okay, and you don't necessarily have to analyze anything, and you walk away for the week with 271 pips. That's pretty good. uh, Trading that at a dollar, okay, that's $271, so on and so forth. If you trade it at a standard, that's over $2,700. All right, so just depending upon your account size, all right, and your risk management would depict exactly how much money you walk away with. But for me, again, I like to count pips and I like to count percentage. All right, so that's 271 pips that you did not have to work for. So that's the main thing that I really like about Tradera, and that's what you sign up for. So again, it's good for beginners. All right, you're beginners, you're still trying to learn how to trade Forex. As long as you know how to put in a trade, okay, and set your stop loss, this is good for you. All right, if you are an experienced trader, but you've got to the point to where you're lazy, or not late, I don't want to call you lazy, but you just don't feel like analyzing your chart, and you prefer maybe to get some signals to come in, and based on those signals, you just do your own analysis, or based on your own trading. You can just look at it through the lens of your trading style, your trading strategy. All right, you can do it based off of that. Okay, now again, what I like about this, because no one is pushing you to sign anyone up. Okay, I really do believe that these individuals, they want to help. That's the reason why I started the Teach Me to Fish effects. All right, is because I want to help other individuals. Okay, so but again, you have your educational platform where they teach you about Forex. They teach you about cryptocurrency. They'll teach you about commodities, indices, stocks, technical analysis. All right, so they're not just out, like, again, excuse me, they're not just out trying to get your money, but they do provide value. Now, I've gone through these different segments, and they do provide some pretty decent information. Now I'm gonna say it doesn't outdo the information that I have for you at the Teach Me to Fish effects, but the information that they do provide, they will assist. The information that they provide will help any beginner trader, okay, to be profitable. All right, taking these signals. Again, I just showed you where just the week before last week, rather, excuse me, last week, they bagged 267 pips. All right, a total of 303, but minus the 32 pips. All right, that they lost. They only lost one trade. Okay, they only lost one trade. All right, and so the next tab up is your live trading sessions, and this is done by Derek Conway. I have sat in on a couple of the trading sessions, and I really like what he teaches. All right, he does teach a form of accumulation and distribution. I don't know if he knows that or not, but he does teach a form of that, and you guys know that I'm a big fan of accumulation and distribution. All right, I believe that that's the way that the market works, and that's the way that the market flows. That's how I'm profitable, and so just seeing and knowing that that is what he's teaching, some type of variation of that. All right, it does my heart some good to be able to do this review and feel good about doing this review. Okay, all right, so. And again, you guys can see that these are live trading sessions. He does it Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, And again, he's going to walk you through the trades. He actually walks you through the trade alerts that they recently put out. He shows you, how to trade it, what to be looking for. So that's pretty good. Hopefully my Wi-Fi is working okay for you guys. You guys can see me okay. But the next section is they also have the fundamental analysis. Okay, you guys who like to know, what's going on when it comes to the financial side of the markets, how the news is affecting the markets. They provide that information for you as well. You guys know that I'm more of a technical trader. Okay, I'm more of a technical trader, so I don't too much look at that stuff. I pretty much look at, when the when high impact news is, so I can just kind of expect the little fluctuations in the market. Okay, so but again, they do provide information about just the fundamental analysis. You guys who like to know what's going on in the world, and how it affects, how it may affect your trading based on what goes on in the world. Okay, the next section is going to be the market forecast. Okay, now in this section they're gonna you'll see where they're gonna let you know, hey, this pair, they believe that this pair to be bullish because it has been on a rise for this many days or this many weeks, or they may think another pair may be bearish because it has been going south for this extended period of time. And so these are the various pairs or instruments that they have here, and this is exactly what I'm showing you guys. NZDJPY, they think it's going to be bearish, they tell you why. All right, and here's the technical. Okay, nice technical mapping here. All right, and so again, you just want to watch what happens around these key areas in the market before you get into your trade. Okay, so that's pretty much what they have there. All right, and then the next things we really don't need to get into. It's just the rank analysis. Again, that's the whole referral program side of it, if you will. If again, if you want to push, I want to get people signed up under me, things of that nature. You can kind of see, how you rank, in the world with, people who are a part of, Tradera. You can take a look at your network to find out how many people are up under you. Change your settings, change your subscriptions, your payment information. If you have any questions, they have member support. You can go through a glossary of frequently asked questions, or you can reach out, and of course you can log out. So my honest review on it, all right, not just because I'm signed up on it. I like it. All right, I think it's pretty good. For me, these are some extra trades for me to take on an intraday level, on a scalping type level. You guys know I like to hold my trades as much as possible. I look for the runners. All right, but again, just being able just to have this in my arsenal to be able to look at my phone. There is a Telegram group that you would sign up for. You get these alerts from the Telegram group, so you want to join the Telegram group. The Telegram group, I don't know why I can't say that today, but you want to join their Telegram group to be able to get those alerts via Telegram. You also get alerts via email, and then of course you can always log in to see what alerts have come out so far. So I like it. Again, these are just extra trades that, again, I don't have to necessarily analyze, but they come across my phone and I can look right there, because again, I pretty much trade naked. For the most part, I do have my indicator packet that I have for you guys, but I pretty much trade accumulation and distribution, guys. So I can just take a look at these trades and see if what they're suggesting is something that's worthwhile. If you don't want to jump in a trade that's only worth 16 pips, all right, you can just take a look and just see what type of runner you can get. Take a look at the suggested take profits. Okay, again, this is not 100%. All right. You're gonna have some wins, you're gonna have some losses. Just like, if I teach you how to trade my style of trading, I have wins, I have losses. Granted, my wins are greater than my losses, and so um, I mean, it is what it is. But again, just being able to have this as just some extra ammunition to grab some pips out of the market, I think it's a good deal. Okay, now what the cost of it is, the client membership is $100. Is well, it's $99 a month. Okay, it's $99 per month. Again, I showed you guys where they had 270 something pips just last week. And again, if you're trading that at a dollar, you have well over the cost to receive the signals per month. So just in 1 week. So I think that speaks for itself. It's just a quick and easy investment. So I like it. It's, like I said, it's pretty good. I understand nothing is 100%, and I take the alerts with a grain of salt. But that's just because I've been trading. Again, I've been trading for a while, and so I'm gonna take a look at the alert and be able to look at the alert to see if, hey, this is something that I want to get in on. Like this loss right here, when this came through. This was not something that I want to get in on typically, because, for one, I don't typically trade the UJ. All right, I don't trade US Jappy, but taking a look at it, you could decide, yeah, I want to get in, or I don't want to get in. But yeah, you get these signals to come through if it's a pair that you trade. But a signal is a signal, guys. So it really doesn't matter if it's a pair you trade or if it's a pair you don't trade. Okay, that's just me. All right, don't let my preference become your policy. Okay, don't do that. We're our own individuals. Okay, and so you're gonna do you, and I'm gonna do me. All right, and so, but it does not mean that you cannot take the trade. That, just one loss for last week, that's not bad. All right, again, they've had a total of 23,673 pips. All right, they've won 467 trades and only lost 223 trades. All right, and so it's greater than 50%, 67%. Again, they typically run at a 70% win rate, and so 50 and above, like you're doing good. Like you can do good trading forex. Trust me. All right. So that is going to be my in-depth review, honest review of Tradera. Again, it is it does have a MLM component to it, but these are not individuals who are pushing you to sign people up. You can if you want to, all right, or you can choose not to. All right, but it doesn't hurt to do something like how I'm doing, just to provide your link out to the world, and maybe someone, again, you can only sign up based off of someone else's um, link. So hey, what's going on, good life? Good to see you, man. Um, so it's not bad. No one's pressuring you or anything like that. You can just sign up and just get these signals, and you can cancel, whenever you want. But yeah, I mean, that's it. It's not bad. I mean, it's, again, I'm a little skeptical of multi-level marketing, but I like this one again because it was introduced to me by someone that I trust, and now I'm introducing it to you. Maybe I'm someone that you can trust, or I may not be someone you can trust. But it's pretty good. It's pretty decent for what you get. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me, guys. If you're on here now and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop your questions. All right. In the comments below, and I'm always following my comments. So if you comment, I will respond. All right, as soon as I get that notification and I'm able to get to it, I will respond. Okay, and so one of the things that I do for the Teach Me to Fish. All right, if you guys have ever thought about or considered signing up, you can come over here to my membership pricing. Okay, and what I have is a lifetime membership, the ultimate market beater. All right, and so basically what this does is this will give you lifetime access to all of my trading material, all of my live trading sessions that I do on the back end with everyone who is a member. You get access to, you also get access to my trading system, which runs at about 125 just for the system, alone, or the template. Well, not just for the template, but actual for it's 125 for the time that I put in to teach you guys how to trade the cluster of indicators that I was able to find and recode. And so, because they're free and open source, I don't sell the indicators. However, I do sell the training in order to be able to use it so you can have the same results that I have. But again, back to the ultimate market beater. If you sign up for this, the way that you sign up for this is to get started is 250. Okay, it's $250, and so basically you're paying $150 to get lifetime access to the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and also some things that I have coming down in the pipeline, which I have to keep quiet right now. I'm really excited about it, but um, I'm coming out with something that's going to help all of us. It's going to help all of you traders out there. So um, yeah, so basically you pay 150 for the lifetime access to the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and then you basically sign up for the third party trading signals, and that's basically the Tradera. Okay, you basically sign up for Tradera. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And you can cancel, you can sign up for Tradera and can't and cancel if you wish, but you will still have access. You will still have the lifetime access to the teachmetofishfx.com resources. So myself and the resources. So all right, guys, that's going to be it for me on today. All right, please don't trade. I hope no one has been trading today. Okay, I hope no one has been trading today. Today is a federal U.S. holiday. It's also a Euro bank holiday. So that two of the major currencies or countries, the banks have been pretty much quiet today, low volatility. So I've been kind of checking out a few pairs, just to be honest with you. I just kind of been watching the market, seeing how the market is playing out. Let me see if I can switch this over for you guys. Let me take that off of there. All right, let me switch this over for you guys. And let me pull my camera back up. Give me 1 second, guys, so you guys can see me. All right. All right, you guys. So you guys should be able to see me. All right. So I have been looking at. I have been following Amazon today. All right. I told you guys this is why. What you call good life. Hey, listen, good life. I have to keep it a secret, okay? As I'm getting older, I'm learning how to how to keep things until they're 100% ready. But I'm almost ready, okay? I'm almost ready, and I think it's gonna help us. It's gonna help us out as a community, okay? And it's gonna help us all to be able to grow as a community. So what I'm coming out with, you're definitely gonna like it. All right, but yeah, like I was saying, I've been taking a look at Amazon. Again, guys, you guys know me. I prefer to trade Forex than stock, but I love being able to. Excuse me. I'm sorry about that. I love being able to um, use brokers who also allow me the ability to access the stocks, the futures, the cryptos, the metals, the uh, forex, uh, the indices, all of it. I'm able to access all of it. So as you know, I don't want to do traditional stock. All right, I will not do traditional stock, but um, yeah. So just taking a look at Amazon, guys. Let me ask you this question. All right, this is a free trade alert. Okay, this is a free trade alert. Okay, during this pandemic, during this pandemic, okay, a lot of companies have been going out of business. Their stocks have been devalued. But companies like Amazon, Netflix, um, Zoom, these companies have been, uh, they've been steadily growing. Okay. Let me ask you this question. Why would you sell Amazon? Look at this. Hopefully you guys can see this. Here, let me take let me see. Let me come over here. No. Let me do this. Thank me later, okay? Thank me later. All right. I'm being a little arrogant right now, right? Who does this guy think he is? All right. But look, let's just take a look at the monthly, okay? Amazon has been going straight up since, according to my broker, and because of the RAM on this little small trading laptop, you're talking about since 2015. Okay, this chart goes back since 2015. Now, granted, Amazon's been around a little longer than that, but since 2015, at the least since 2015, Amazon has been going up. It has experienced some pullbacks, of course. Let me make this so you guys can see this. Let's make this white. Make this a little bigger. Okay. Amazon has been going up. Unless something really, really drastic happens with that company, it's going to continue to go up. Amazon has been pretty much recession proof. Okay, this company is the first company to, if hopefully I'm quoting this statistic right, but they're the first company to have ever received a multi-trillion-dollar evaluation. All right, multi. And if you're a forex trader, you can make money on this going up or going down. I'm not worried about, I'm not thinking about buying traditional Amazon stock. But what I'm thinking about is catching the right move to continue this up. Had I thought about this, let's see. I started trading in 2016. All right, that's going to be the start of from here. All right, so this area right here, 2016. Let me see, when did I start? I think I started, I think like January. So yeah, maybe February. Maybe if my view and my thought process was expanded when I first started, I could have got in at the early start of this trading forex. And right now, the total profit range drum roll please, guys. The total profit range, 20,467 pips. Can you imagine putting in a dollar and just over the years you just making $20,000 just like that, and compounding your account? And so you go in at a dollar, then you go in at $5, and you go in at a standard, you go in at two standards. All right. So think about that, guys. You Forex traders, you do not have to limit yourself to Forex currencies. Again, you can trade. You have access to stock, you have access to indices, you have access to the currency pairs, you have access to crypto, you have access to metals, you have access to energy. All right, you have access to it all. Expand your thinking. Expand your thinking. So why not? You hear, oh wow, Amazon is doing pretty good. Let me take a look at that on a Forex chart. Let me take a look at that on some accumulation. Let me take a look at the accumulation and distribution levels for Amazon. Let me take a look at that, and let me get in on trading Amazon, because that's all it takes, guys. Same thing with gold. Gold has been on a uptrend for the longest. Let's take a look at the monthly. Get rid of these indicators so you guys can see this really good. Gold has been on an uptrend for the longest. Now, I'm not going to get into my analysis on gold. I have some things that I am waiting on and looking to see, but can you imagine getting in on gold back here? Expanding your thought process, expanding the borders of which you trade in. Okay, so today is Memorial Day. We honor and we remember those soldiers who have lost their lives in order to protect our freedom, in order that allows us to sit back, excuse me, but me sit back, hanging out in my thinking chair and trade Forex. So, but tomorrow, the markets, the volatility is back, and we go to work. And so I will be looking for, this is my plan for this week, to see if the market presents me an opportunity to get in on trading Amazon. So, all right, guys, I know it's a little bit more than the Tradera review. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I hope that this video has provided some value for you guys, to you guys. Again, give Tradera a look. I don't think you would be disappointed. I haven't been disappointed yet. Excuse me. And so, if you want to sign up